It's second half of 2025. Are you now serious about starting your small business? Well, in this video, I've got top 5 profitable small business ideas that you can pursue with low investment. These top 5 small business ideas are for you to consider because they are not going to take too much of your time, let alone break your bank. And the best thing about these 5 top profitable small business ideas is that they have the potential of high returns. Imagine you use less money to invest in the business, but you have the potential of getting high returns on them. Trust me, they are quite simple. And I understand that whenever a person thinks about starting a business, they think, oh, I need to have a large sums of money. Some actually run to a financial institution to borrow a loan so that they are able to start their business. But we live in the 21st century now, and all of those things are kind of like slipping through the window. However, that does not mean that traditional businesses, you do not need large sums of money. And I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the ones that you can afford, also has the potential of making you a multi-millionaire. So let's dive in with the first one: online coaching or online tutoring. Listen, gone are the days where one needed to have a degree or a qualification in order for them to sit you down and train you or guide you or coach you about the things that you want to achieve in your life. These days, it is all about skill set and experience. Most people are using their experiences. For example, a fitness trainer did not go to university for that. It's a person who just walked into a gym because they wanted to lose weight and develop muscles, and they utilize all the tactics and techniques that got them the body that you now desire to have. And that is out of experience and the skill set that they learned at the gym, and now they want to impart it to you by charging you a fee on consultation, coaching you so that you too can get the body of your dream. When it comes to tutoring, if you are a teacher, a high school teacher, a primary school teacher, and you have these subjects that are of a problem, then this is you who have to come in and start becoming an online tutor. There are lots of parents who are having children that are struggling with subjects at school, like science, physics, chemistry, accounting, mathematics. There are so many. And then if you go to the Asian countries like South Korea, China, Japan, they are looking for you who can speak English well and can teach English well. And the best part about this business idea is that you can do it in the comfort of your own home. Yeah, working at home, and you can set your own hours when you're going to start working, for how long, etc. and so on. The high returns in that are very good. The second top 5 small business idea that you can do in this second half of 2025 is digital marketing. Hey, since social media and the internet was introduced in our lives, I am sure you've got some kind of experience when it comes to search engine optimization, when it comes to content creation, or when it comes to editing or marketing for that matter. These are the things that people are searching for, in particular companies. There are entrepreneurs right now that want to be present on social media or online, and there are also conglomerates that I haven't taken this quite seriously yet. You can put a portfolio together and then make proposals on how you can take them from being invisible online to having online presence, and you can use all the skills that you have learned over the years in developing your own social media pages, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever the social media platform that you are on. So there is no excuse on this one. Just have a strategy that you can present to an entrepreneur who just started out, because they are the ones, I think, where the gold is, because as they grow on online presence, they also grow with you, and they might actually keep you as a retainer, and as they grow bigger, and then you also increase your fees. And the best part about this business as well, can be done at the comfort of your own home, and you can set your own hours too. And the second best part about this type of business digital marketing is that businesses do talk to each other. And if something is working for a business that has hired you as their digital marketer, they will tell the others about you. Yeah, word of mouth. And then you get recommended so that they too get to experience the exact online presence that you have helped the other company. Yeah, when they go to these conferences, business conferences, they talk to each other and your name might pop. And guess what? The more clients you get, the more your fees also increase. The third top 5 profitable small business idea that you can utilize and make some money for yourself in 2025 is dropshipping and e-commerce. Yes, this is growing exponentially where you can basically sell anything that you no longer use, sell it on eBay or sell it on Etsy, or you can develop an entire digital course or a digital product where you can sell that on the same platforms like eBay as well as Etsy and elsewhere, Skillshare even. And I'm not sponsored by any of these brands that I'm mentioning. I'm just here to help you. Also, you can basically go to wholesalers or clearance sales and buy products that you can sell on eBay or on your Etsy store or even on your drop shipping store. It will be like you stole them because that's how cheap you would have bought them, and then you sell them at a higher price. However, with dropshipping and e-commerce, you've got to research the top products that people are searching for. Example, if you are going to sell on Facebook, for example, make sure that you do your research on products that people go for. Mostly it's going to be dog food or dog products like dog beds or the tree for a cat. And in other instances is vintage furniture. A lot of people these days, for some reason, they are into vintage furniture. Those are the things that you can sell. Secondhand goods, if you have a camera that you're no longer using or a phone that you're no longer using, you can just throw it all in there on your Etsy store or on your drop shipping store, whatever store that you have under e-commerce and drop shipping. And the potential of making a lot of money is pretty good. The 4 top 5 profitable small business idea that you can do in 2025 is virtual assistants. You can become a virtual assistant. A lot of people are starting businesses. They're becoming entrepreneurs. Even company executives of big conglomerates, they are always searching for people that are going to assist them in managing their emails, in scheduling their meetings, booking their flights, hotels, you name it, restaurants. All of these things will be fall on your shoulder, and then you charge a certain fee on that particular entrepreneur or company executive per hour. Usually it will be like $50 per hour. And then you can even, which is the best part, you can get other entrepreneurs as well onto your list of entrepreneurs that you are working with. Some people find themselves working with 10, some with 15. It is all up to how you actually use your 24 hours in a day. And you also get to work from absolutely anywhere. You can work from home, you can work at Durban Beach while basking under the sun there. You can work absolutely anywhere as long as you deliver these to your clients. And the best part about this, you could actually find yourself full-time with all 15 of your clients. And this is where your money really increase. Now, places where you can find these clients is LinkedIn and freelance websites. And the 5th top 5 profitable small business idea, it is freelancing. Now, freelancing is also a growing business for many entrepreneurs. And you could actually find yourself amongst the list of things that you can do as a freelancer, and you will make a lot of money. One that I like the most is copywriting. Copywriting, it is all about writing texts. Whether you are writing a marketing script for an advert, or you are writing a script for a movie, or writing a book for an author, or become a ghostwriter for a movie, or even an author, you can write a brochure for a resort or like a vacation resort or something like that. anything that has to do with writing, this is where it falls on you. But you need to have a good command of the English language and also good with grammar. Sometimes you may even find yourself editing an entire bestseller. Nobody will ever know about you. The credits goes to the author. But at least you would have been paid for the hours that you have worked in editing that book. So amongst the top 5 profitable small business ideas that you can do in 2025, which one piqued your interest? I am interested to hear in the comment section. But you must remember, you need to start now. Anyways, if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.